This is Stacy, Youth Services Librarian. All right, teens, I want to let you know something great and new that we're doing for you. You've probably seen the flyers around the library. You've seen like the little tiny flyers that we've done, but now we have put together a brochure for you. So every month there'll be a new brochure, one at the circulation desk, and then some up here in the teen room, and inside you are going to find everything that is going on in the teen area for you, the different programs that we have going on. You'll get what's going on that month and a sneak peek of what's going on in the next month going forward, plus other resources for you, like signing up for the newsletter, how to use our downloadables, some QR codes. So I think that you'll find this really handy. I think that it'll be everything in one spot for you, easy for you to grab and then find out what's going on here. So I hope to see you here. I hope to see you at our events, because I'm making it easier and easier for you to find out what's going on at the library.
Hi, this is Caroline. I'm the head of Adult Services and Outreach here at the library, and I want to talk about a few new Beyond Books items that we have here at the library. So we just received this radon detector from the Department of Health and Human Services. It's a part of a grant program that they have, so you can test your the radon in your house continuously. Checkout is 3 weeks, so you have plenty of time to do that. And then we also have two blood pressure cuffs. It was from the American Heart Association. We're part of the Libraries with Heart program. So 2 blood pressure cuffs to circulate. It comes with a guide, tells you how to do it. And then we also have one in-house as well. So come in and check these out.
Hi, I'm Jen Wyman, and I have a couple of recommendations for you. So first of all, on Saturday, December 6th, we have a holiday murder mystery book club, and we are reading The Most Wonderful Crime of the Year. It's described as Knives Out meets Rom-Com in this rivals to lovers murder mystery. It's a classic locked room mystery, and you'll just have to read it to find out if you can figure out where the missing person went. Also, we have a bunch of cookbooks, so if you're getting together with friends or family, or just really enjoy holiday baking during this time of year, please come in and check out some of our baking and cooking and charcuterie spread cookbooks. And we hope you have a great holiday.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.